Oh, when it
Yeah.
all falls down.
This the real one, baby.
I'm telling you,
Chi-Town stand up.
Oh, when it
South side, we gon' set this party off right.
I'm telling you,
West side, we gon' set this party off right. Man, I promise. She's so self-conscious, she has no idea what she doing in college. That major that she majored in don't make no money, but she won't drop out, her parents will look at her funny. Now, tell me that ain't insecure. The concept of school seems so secure. Sophomore 3 years, ain't picked a career. She like, fuck it, I'll just stay down her and do it, cause that's enough money to buy her a few pairs of new ears, cause her baby daddy don't really care. She's so precious, with the peer pressure, couldn't afford a car, so she named her daughter Alexis. Yeah, hair so long that it looked like weave. Then she cut it all off, now she